Hey there everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for all the soon-to-be moms and those planning to start a family. We're talking about the incredible significance of folic acid during pregnancy. Folic acid is a B vitamin that plays a key role in the development of a healthy baby. Research has shown that taking folic acid before and during early pregnancy can help prevent serious birth defects of the brain and spine, known as neural tube defects. But that's not all. Folic acid also contributes to the formation of the baby's DNA, which is the blueprint for their entire body. Getting enough folic acid can be as simple as incorporating certain foods into your diet. Leafy greens, citrus fruits, beans, and fortified cereals are great sources. However, since it might be challenging to get all the necessary folic acid through diet alone, many healthcare providers recommend taking a prenatal vitamin with folic acid. If you're planning to conceive or are already pregnant, consulting your healthcare provider about the right dosage of folic acid is essential. Remember, the benefits of folic acid are not just limited to the baby's health. It also supports the mother's well-being during this transformative time. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more pregnancy tips and parenting advice. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way when it comes to your baby's future. Looking to take your fitness journey to the next level? Look no further. Introducing bulksupplements.com, your ultimate destination for premium quality supplements at unbeatable prices. From bodybuilders to health enthusiasts, bulksupplements.com has been trusted by thousands to deliver top-notch products that support your fitness goals. Our supplements are sourced from the finest ingredients and rigorously tested for purity, ensuring you get only the best for your body. With fast shipping and hassle-free returns, getting your hands on the supplements you need has never been easier. Join the bulksupplements.com community today and experience the difference. Get ready to elevate your fitness game and unleash your full potential. Don't miss out on exclusive offers and promotions. Visit bulksupplements.com now and take the first step towards a healthier, stronger, and happier you. Use my personal link in the description section of this video and the discount word at checkout and save 5% on your first order. Disclaimer: this video and description may contain affiliate links. That means I might get paid a commission, at no additional cost to you, if you click on one of the links and buy something. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps us to continue making quality medical videos for you. Thank you. Did you just learn you were pregnant, or are you actively attempting to get pregnant? You've probably heard of the nutrient folic acid, and for good reason. Because it aids in cell growth and maintenance, folic acid supplementation is especially important during pregnancy. Your unborn child's brain and nervous system are already developing before you even realize that you are pregnant. Folate, often known as folic acid, is crucial. Gaining the most benefit from this vitamin may be possible if you are aware of the distinctions between folic acid and folate. Over the past few years, the argument between folic acid and folate during pregnancy has heated up. Folic acid, a B vitamin, is a crucial nutrition both before and during pregnancy, according to scientists. To guarantee a healthy pregnancy for both you and your unborn child, we will examine the importance of folic acid for pregnancy, its advantages, recommended dosage, and sources. Describe folic acid. Folic acid, often known as folate or vitamin B9, is a water-soluble vitamin required for a number of physiological processes. It is essential during pregnancy because it helps maintain and create new cells. Folic acid is essential for the synthesis of DNA, the production of red blood cells, and the development of the neural tube in the first trimester of pregnancy. Folic acid versus folate. So what distinguishes folic acid from folate? The synthetic version of folate, known as folic acid, is frequently found in supplements and added to bread, cereals, and other foods. The vitamin is present in some foods in its natural form as folate. What justifies the role of folic acid in pregnancy? Folic acid is essential for several body processes that support the mother and unborn child before and during pregnancy. Folic acid has the following advantages. 1. Preventing defects in the neural tubes. Severe birth anomalies called neural tube defects, NTDs, have an impact on the development of the baby's brain, spine, or spinal cord. When taken before conception and in the first trimester of pregnancy, folic acid has been demonstrated to considerably lower the incidence of NTDs. 2. Assistance with fetal development. Folic acid promotes general fetal growth in addition to avoiding neural tube abnormalities. Adequate folic acid intake throughout pregnancy helps the baby's organs, tissues, and brain grow and develop. Major organ systems are developing during the first trimester, when it is very crucial. Increasing folic acid consumption may also aid in reducing the risk of cleft palate and other facial and oral birth abnormalities. 3. Advantages for maternal health. Folic acid is important for the mother's overall health in addition to the baby during pregnancy. A lack of folate can cause anemia because folic acid is essential for the production of red blood cells. Folic acid consumption before and throughout pregnancy lowers the incidence of anemia. Anemia caused by a folate deficit can contribute to fatigue, weakness, and other pregnancy problems. In addition, research points to folic acid supplementation as a potential means of lowering the incidence of preeclampsia, a pregnancy problem characterized by elevated blood pressure. How much folic acid during pregnancy should you take? Pregnant women are advised by experts to take 600 mcg of folic acid every day. Additionally, considering that serious birth abnormalities develop extremely early in pregnancy and that around 50% of pregnancies are unplanned, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, advises all women of reproductive age to include 400 mcg to their diets each day as a supplement. On the other hand, talk to your doctor before including any supplements into your regimen to establish the right dosage and type. Folate and folic acid sources. Dietary sources and supplements can be used to meet the necessary folic acid consumption during pregnancy. Here are a few strategies for including folic acid in your diet. Foods high in folate include beef liver, dark leafy greens, oranges, avocados, nuts and nut butters, Brussels sprouts, and folic acid is added to foods like fortified pasta, bread, wheat, and rice, breakfast cereals fortified, enrichment of corn masa flour. Folic acid is also available as a supplement and can assist guarantee optimal intake during pregnancy in addition to food sources. For the most part, prenatal vitamins contain folic acid. However, it is crucial to speak with your doctor before beginning any supplements to identify the right dosage and form and make sure it meets your needs. To help prevent neural tube abnormalities, folic acid is a vital nutrient that is advised for all women of reproductive age. Moms as well as newborns gain from it. You can make sure you and your unborn child receive the required quantities of folic acid for a successful pregnancy journey by including folate-rich food sources into your diet and thinking about supplements. Always seek personalized advice and direction from your healthcare professional throughout your pregnancy.
Thank you so much for watching our video on the importance of folic acid for pregnancy. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. Remember, folic acid isn't just a supplement, it's a crucial building block for your baby's health and development. Whether you're planning to conceive or already on your pregnancy journey, taking the right steps now can make a world of difference. If you have any questions or experiences to share about folic acid and pregnancy, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. Your insights might just help another mom to be out there. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things pregnancy, parenting, and health, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We're here to support you every step of the way, and if you know someone who could benefit from learning about folic acid's importance, feel free to share this video with them. Together, we can spread awareness and empower more moms for a healthier pregnancy journey. Once again, thank you for joining us. Wishing you all the best on your pregnancy adventure. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye for now.